In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Wallet on your iPhone 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Apple Wallet and how to use it to make payments with Apple Pay, either contactlessly, in-store, or online. So using it is easy and convenient. First, you have to set up the wallet. So open the wallet application, which you will find on the home screen as a default app, and then you will be able to add new cards by tapping the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping the plus button, you will see plenty of options. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be focusing on debit or credit card, but as you can clearly notice, you can browse through various other options on your own time, stuff such as a transit card, for example. Now, if you choose credit or debit card, you will be able to either scan your physical card with your camera, which automatically fills out all of the card information, or you can manually input it. Choose whichever option you prefer. You just have to make sure that the cardholder's name, the card number, expiration date, security code, and any additional information is properly filled. Once you fill out all of this information, proceed, and it is going to ask you to verify your card through various means. Choose any of the means available to you, and once you verify your identity and the card gets added to your Apple Wallet, you are good to go. Now, you have two main ways to use Apple Pay. You can either use it online when you find it available as a payment method on a website or service, or you can use it in-store to make contactless payments. First, if you proceed to checkout on places such as the App Store or a website, and you choose to pay with Apple Pay with the primary payment method, you will be able to authenticate this transaction. So a prompt will appear, you can choose the card that you added to your Apple Wallet and confirm this payment. It is extremely simple and super intuitive. If you want to make payments in-store contactlessly, double-click the home button to activate your Apple Wallet, authenticate using Touch ID to verify your identity, and physically hold your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. As long as you double-clicked the home button, you selected the card, and you placed your iPhone near the reader, you will see a check mark or done message in your iPhone to confirm this payment, and you can repeat this process as needed. You can add multiple cards and swap between them for different purchases, and it is super simple to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Wallet in iPhone 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.